Okay, it's recording. Look, we got Leah here, cutie pie, and little Nevaeh, perfect little child. Both of them are. Except for this one here is a little bit spoiled. But that's alright, because she's just the cutest thing in the world.
Look, Grandma.
This one.
Hey.
She doesn't mean to hurt her, honey.
Yeah, she doesn't hardly know any better.
Okay, I got a hacky sack, but it's a small one, but it's a
Look, Leah.
I'm recording this right now.
Nevaeh, it's okay, boogers.
Like, I don't understand this. What's going on? Oh,
Hey, Junior, I'll hold little one if you... Well, no, because I'm fixing to go wake up my mom.
To learn more, contact your Amway Global Independent
she's
Business.
like, how are you mad at me? I'm so precious. She's gonna look me again.
Okay.
She's like, where's